Hello friend, this is Anjali and this is my channel. I made this channel for English learning purpose. So friend, I'm also in learning journey. So I'm going to give you I'm going to share with you my experience, and I have been learning this language from 2 months. So friend, I have watched a lot of video. They don't say like if you can't speak English in a 2 month and a 1 month, and friend, I don't know, I can speak English well, and I have start this English journey in very initial, very zero, in the very zero. Okay, when I was starting this language, that time I was zero. I didn't know about a lot of things about the grammar or something. So friend, I'm going to give you 4 tips which is will you help you to improve your English, and what tip, like what kind of method I have used, so that's why I can speak English. And friends, first of all thing is that like uh, um, like a lot of people cannot speak English. Why they can't speak English? Because of the practice. Like whenever you want to learn any language, like this is not any education matter, right? So whenever you want to learn any skill, any language, you have to merge yourself on that language. Okay, for example, like I wanted to learn this language, like I wanted to learn English language, so I have to do practice of my face muscles, which is they are comfortable to speak this language. If I'm not doing any kind of practice of my face muscles, so when if even though I think in English, I can understand everything in English, uh, in like other although I can't speak English, it has happened a most of time and from most of the people, because of they didn't do any practice of their mouth, how to use the mouth when we have to speak English. Okay, so there were a lot of the YouTuber I saw, they already said about in their video about these things, because this is the disbalance. Like I'm thinking about, like this is the disbalance. Like if you speak, what is the thing, what is the most important thing? Like if you can read, right? If you can write language English, you can think in English. So why you can't? Because you have a disbalance. You are consuming a lot of content. You are consuming a lot of content in your mind, but your mouth is don't know how to put out, how to speak that language. So you will have to practice of your mouth, so he can comfortable with their language, he can familiar with this language. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do shadowing practice. Do you know about the shadowing practice? What is the shadowing? I must know, if you are learning this language and if you are watching a lot of videos of English content, you must be heard this word shadowing. You know about the shadowing? Shadowing practice is very powerful method. Like I am also using this method. What you have to do whenever you are trying to whenever you are watching any kind of video, any kind of English content, and you have to just watch that video properly. And you can also watch whole video. After like one time, you can watch whole video. After that, you can just try to do shadowing. And a most important thing is that whenever you choose any video, you should to choose any you should to choose very simple video, which is you can understand. And then you can shadowing. Like if you can't understand any video, they speak very fast, so how can you shadowing, how can you do shadowing with them, right? So we are start to shadowing practice. So first of all, when you choose one some of the video who speak English very well, you can understand their English whole word, like whole word you can understand. Okay, so you will have to do one thing, like whatever they say, whatever they speak any dialogue in their video, you should to just listen and pay attention on their dialogue. After that, you have to uh, pause that video, then you have to repeat. And when like which way they use, same way you have to say same dialogue. Okay, so for example, like I'm saying, I'm a comfortable, like you have choose my video, and I'm just like you are just trying to shadowing with me. So for example, I am the actor of their movie, like, and their, then any podcast or something. So I'm saying, for example, so I'm saying, okay, I'm a great, I'm okay. So you should to pause that video and you have to repeat and same method and same way which is they use in their video. So then it will be maybe when you will be start this method, then you can find this is the very difficult, and also you can find that this is the very boring method. But friend, yeah, initial whenever you start this method and you will be feel a very frustrated and exhausted, maybe you can, because whenever I was start, then I also feel the same, I also feel the same. But after coming a time, I am habitual of this and I can speak English, I can speak English normally, I can speak English, I'm not saying I can speak English very well, but yeah, I can speak English some way, which is something for me. Okay, so that is the one thing, is that you will have to do shadowing. And what if you will do the shadowing, so your mind, your mind will be work in the same way, your hair will be work same way, and your mouth also doing the practice in the same way. Like the three thing you can do in a one time. Okay, whenever you try to speak with the video, whenever you try to do shadowing practice, then your mind, your hair, and also your mouth working on the same time. So what the connection your mind, like what the connection get your what the connection get your mind is getting the connection, like, yeah, this is the her language and he can speak English very well, he can speak this language, he have to speak this language. So your mind will be understand about this language. And also friend, second thing is how to remove the hesitation. Whenever we try to speak English front of anyone and we feel very anxious and feel like, what if they feel like, what if they make fun of me, what if they said bad of me, what if they like gossip of me, and what if they they didn't understand what I am saying. So is this, for this method, for we are thinking all the time like what people think about us. So that's why we didn't speak English, where we feel hesitate, like, if although we can speak English, like if we go front of the people and we feel hesitate. And you friend, it is the very common thing whenever you start any skill, like this is not our mother tongue, this is the second language, we are considered this language in the second language. So we cannot expect that much, like as you expect from your mother tongue, because you have been this language practice around whenever you had a childhood, like since you are childhood doing this practice. Okay, so if you can speak this language here, if you have this fluency now, so it is not a very difficult thing, because you are doing a lot of practice of this. Okay, so if I talk about the English, you are not doing any kind of practice, your mind is completely not understand like how to I react with the English language. So how do they how do they work with you? Okay, how do they support you whenever he don't know how to speak? So when how do he support with you? So you will have to make them habitual, your mouth and your mind. Okay, so this is the first thing, and this is the second thing. And friends, don't think about the people not under, like people do not, the people do not come to say you like you are saying wrong, you are saying right. They don't have any time of think about you, because everyone busy in their life, right? So if you are for whenever you speak English well, and not, I'm not saying like everyone make mistake, and I'm also making mistake whenever I speak English. But yeah friend, when you speak front of, like if you don't have to go outside to speak front of anyone, you can just use some of the app where you can talk with the people and they also learn this language, right? So they also face same thing whatever you have faced now. So they don't have give you any kind of judgment, they don't give you any kind of, they don't tell you like you are something you are wrong. But yeah, if they correct you, so it will be also best for you, because I'm using some kind of app there, I can do practice with them, practice with some like some people who's also learning this language. So when they correct me, so I feel very much happy, because if they correct you, so they also give you like Anjali, and you can't use this word here, it is look, yeah, it sounds odd, you can, instead of that, this is the alternative, you can use this word. So I feel very happy if someone is correct me. Okay, so you can find a new words from that, from those persons. And also friend, you don't think about this is the education matter, this is not an education, this is the language. Don't consider is this this is the any education matter. Most of the thing, everyone, we all think about this is the education, this is the subject in our school, and so that is why we feel difficulty to speak English, we feel difficulty to we complicate this language in our mind, like this is a very difficult thing. But friend, believe me, I do this, I know it is not that much difficult, but as much we are as much we are thinking about it. This is the only one of the language, as much like if we talk about the India has a lot of language, like Hindi, Marathi, Bhojpuri, like these kind of language. You should to see them as in a language. Okay, so whenever you will see them as in a language, you feel, you don't feel hesitate to front of the people, and you don't feel a shy front of the people, and you will be speak English well method. So please don't think this is the education matter. And friend, I'll give you like, after some time, like I'm just working this language. And also friend, fourth thing is that you will have to do writing. Writing is the most important thing, like whenever you try to speak this language, whenever your mind consider, your mouth consider to speak this language, and still you can still maybe you can't make the sentence, you can't able to make the sentences. So whenever you will be do writing, whenever you will be journaling, so it will be very helpful to you, like how to think in English. First thing is how to think in an English, and second thing is whenever you write, then you write is correct, because uh, you have to think about it. Okay, so this is like do work for you and speak English, and you will be speak English, I believe it. And take care of yourself, and we will meet in next video. Thank you, bye bye.